Now we're evolving. Hi, we're Wendy and Shannon, your favorite mother-daughter duo. Almost 5 years ago, we embarked on our journey together to start Plating It with Wendy, sharing our love for food and impressing with ease.
What began as a passion project has grown into a global community of over 400,000 followers across 5 social media platforms. And we're so excited to have gotten the opportunity to connect with each one of you, sharing recipes, tips, and just our love for food.
And now come along with us beyond the kitchen.
From travel adventures, beauty tips, home decor, fashion finds, and everything in between. Cheers!
And you'll be seeing more of Shannon as she joins me in sharing these moments with you.
Thank you for being part of our journey.
Here's to making everyday moments feel special and sharing many more memories.
Alrighty, thank you so much for joining us. We hope you enjoyed that sneak peek trailer of what's to come, and we're so excited to bring you along with us on this rebrand launch. It's been something we've been working on for a long time, but we wanted to take a moment to slow the pace down, sit down with all of you, and just talk about some of the main areas that you may have questions about, and some of the things that we just wanted to share a little bit more about as well. Sounds good?
Perfect.
Okay, so let's get started. The first question we have today is to talk about how Platin with Wendy actually got started.
It all started about 5 years ago in our home kitchen, where we took simple recipes with the goal of making everyday meals feel special. And then we came up with the Me and the Mini-Me series and the Tipsy Thursdays, where working together as a mother-daughter duo made it even more fun.
I totally agree. Those were such fun days, and since we were all at home anyways, it was a great way for us to spend more time together.
It was. Okay, Shannon, why don't we share with our community what inspired us to change the name to With Wendy and Shannon?
That's a great question. Obviously, our community has grown so incredibly, so thank you to each and every one of you. 400,000 followers. I don't think that's a number we ever imagined when we started this food and lifestyle content creation, but we're so happy to have you all with us. And with that, I think the new name was more about expanding to include both of us in, the presence of the overall brand, and then also to share with you beyond just food. So as we mentioned earlier, we're looking to bring you along with us throughout our entire life. That could look like home decor, fashion, beauty, taking you to restaurants with us, traveling the world with you. We want to just take you along with us and share those little joys of every part of our lives.
Just being part of our family.
Exactly. Like, it's an extension of our family, and we're so happy to have you all with us. All right, perfect timing to talk a little bit more about the 400,000 followers. How do you think we really came to that number?
It's probably because we've always been consistent in our posting. There's been a lot of communication and also a lot of love that we show. We try as much as we can to answer all your questions and appreciate all your comments that you'll leave for us. We stayed true to sharing from the heart our tried and tested recipes that turn out right every time.
Honestly, they're no fail. Every recipe is a winner.
Okay, Shannon, now that you're joining us on this channel, let's tell everyone what to expect.
I think the simple answer is a little bit more of everything. So all along, we've been bringing you amazing food recipes, and that's not going to stop. Food is still going to be at the heart of everything that we do, but now we just want to expand that to bringing you a little bit more of everything. So that could look like we've got great ideas about home decor inspiration, makeup routines, style one outfit with both of us to show you our own unique personality that comes out as well.
Basically, how one outfit looks on 2 different generations.
Exactly. And then we've got a whole host of travel videos that we are looking to share with you and bring you along with us to try new cuisines as well. And then whatever we try, bring that into the kitchen and show you how to recreate that. In a nutshell, I think that's what we're looking to accomplish here. Okay, now I've got the question of the hour. What's your favorite part of working together as a mother-daughter duo?
Honestly, everything. We've learned so much from each other during this journey. We've pushed each other's creativities. We've laughed, we've disagreed, but we have built a lot of memories while helping others create their own. It's been an incredible journey.
And that is incredibly special to us.
Okay, Shannon, let's share what is our mission in this next chapter.
I think our mission is just to continue to help you impress with ease and just find the beauty in the everyday. So whether that looks like plating a meal for your friends and family, maybe visiting your bucket list destination, or decorating your home for the new season, we want to be there with you along the journey and to show you that it doesn't take much to make everyday moments feel magical. Thanks for watching. See ya!